Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen crew? This is J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. If you're new to the channel, I just want to let you guys know. So I've been sitting at the crib half of last year with my Fitbit Inspire 2, just not using it because this little band piece was missing here. So it's kind of annoying to put this on my wrist and just have this flapping up. So it took me all the way until now, January 2024, to try to order me something to fix this problem I have. So let me show you guys first what I ordered was oh, but before I even get to that, both of these items will be down in the description below. Everything you see right here that I did order, it will be down in the description below. Even if you want to try to get you a Inspire 2 Fitbit to get fit for 2024, that'll be down there too. Okay, back to the video here. So I ordered this. I was looking around on Amazon trying to find something that would be compatible for my Inspire 2, and this pack right here gave me options because it actually comes with 3 different bands, 3 different colors, and you can also select the colors that you want. They had a lot of different colors on the site that I had went to, but so here it is right here. So it comes with instructions right here. It tells you how to change the band, how to install the band, how to release it on one side, how to install the band on the other side. These Inspires, it is very easy to take the band off. There's the metal piece you can see there. All you have to do is just slide it to the side and it comes right off. And so here you go. Like I said, that pack came with 3 different bands in them. So I kind of got like a charcoal gray, a black. You can't go wrong with having a black, and then a blue that's here. So you can check the description. They do come in even different colors than this, but I thought can't lose with this because if something happens to this little band piece on one of them, well, at least I got 2 more bands right there on deck so I can keep it going, keep being fit with the year. Let's go. But let's see. We'll go ahead and just try one on real quick. Okay, so like we said, we're going to go ahead and try the blue one first. And there you go. That was nice and easy to put on. This is waterproof. It is a little rugged. The band is a little rugged, but it'll be very durable for use. And it gives it a different color. It gives me different options. When I want to have this Fitbit going with my swag or my gear that I got on. So, like I said, you get 3 of them in this pack here that I got. So check the description down below. Then this next accessory, I kind of want to see what this is going to be like trying this out. So they're calling this like a Fitbit clip. And again, this will be, oh, it's really in here. It's really in there, you guys. Oops, I'm shaking the camera. But this is a clip. So, and this is like rubber. It's all rubber, so you can see how it moves. It's rubbery, but it is a clip here. Now this clip here, it's a little harder plastic underneath the rubber. So this part right here is a hard plastic, and the rubber on the back is actually covering the plastic back there. Okay, and so we're just going to wonder which way should we put it in. I guess we'll go ahead and put it in this way. You'll just have to see which way you want it in. So I guess facing this way is where we can read everything. And right now, since I haven't, like I said, I haven't used this Fitbit in forever. How do I get to the main screen? That's how long it's been. Yeah, I ain't used it. Okay, here it is right here. So we January 16th. It's got the wrong date on it. Today is January 23rd. Oh no, it's 1:16 p.m. It is it does have the correct date, but let me tap it here. So let's see, how do I get to my steps? Okay, so right there, you guys, hopefully You can see it. It says I went 132 steps. So that's probably just me coming downstairs to my garage, walking around, gathering stuff that I needed to film with. So I'm going to wear this for the day, and I'll let you guys know what I think this clip, if I think it was pretty accurate for the day. I'm going to clip it onto my pants, and then I'll come back on and let you guys know what I think about it. Yeah, so again, check that description. Let's keep watching this video so we can see how many steps I got on today, and if this clip, if I think it was really accurate or not. But this is a really nice accessory because I already sometimes wear my Android watch, and then since I have this Fitbit that has the digital watch on it and all that type of stuff, and it can send you certain notifications from your phone, it's like I'm already getting that from my watch. So some days I really don't want to have both of them going off. So it'll be nice just to have this tucked away someplace, wearing it when I don't want to wear the bands, or if anything was to happen to these little, clips right here, I'll always still have an extra backup. But let's see how it works out, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so I made it wearing the clip. I actually went a few days wearing it, and I think each day that it was pretty accurate. I wore it like on my pants near my belt buckle, so I think that this is a good accessory to have with your Fitbit. Again, I think it's a good accessory to have when you don't want to wear the band. And yeah, there you have it, you guys. Check the description down below. Check out my unboxing playlist on my channel. And we also have a membership option on my channel. Check out the join button and you can see some of the options that I do offer my members. So again, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.